I'm Tiana. My job title, I'm an owner operator. My ratings of Keep Trucking is a 5, and click below for more reviews. Yeah, I use Keep Trucking. Like I said, I'm an owner operator, so I keep trucking to keep up with my IFTAs or my annuals. I use it for navigation. I use it to locate my drivers. Um, I use Keep Trucking for um, my fuel cards, and it has been really good. It's been really awesome. What I like the best about Keep Trucking is it helps me with my annuals, IFTAs. Well, the only thing that I could see Keep Trucking improving on is the internet, it's the Wi-Fi system. It goes a little bit too fast.